Hello dear friends, welcome to the new series of our GPSC RTO. Friends, in this series we will study about English grammar which is asked in our GPSC RTO class. Friends, this is our chapter first and it is about noun. Dear friends, as you all know that in our GPSC RTO there is 50 marks of our English subject. So friends, this is very important and friends, you must have to focus about English. So friends, I bring series of English grammar for you. So friends, I hope that you will enjoy English, and friends, if you find this video helpful, then subscribe my channel, like the video and share it as maximum possible. Dear friends, it's about noun. Now friends, there are 5 type of noun. Noun is means noun. It is identity of anything. Friends, there are 5 type of noun. First is proper noun, second one is common noun, third one is collective noun, friends, fourth one is material noun, and the last one is abstract noun. So friends, we will discuss about this all 5 one by one. Dear friends, in this video I will use the English and Gujarati both language, so we will both feel comfort with this both language. Okay friends, now it is proper noun. What is proper noun friends? In proper noun we have particular name of person such that Kannu, Mannu, Mita, and if there is particular name of place then it is also proper noun, just like Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Rampur, India. These all are person, place or belongs to proper noun. Then friends, things just as Titan watch, Renault pen, friends, things with particular company friends. Only watch, only pen is not our proper noun. Friends, anything with its manufacturing noun, just Titan, Renault, these all are our proper noun. Action are also belongs to our proper noun, like swimming, to air, to talk. Friends, this all are action also belongs to our proper noun. Dear friends, noun is used as subject, or it is used as subject or object friends. In place of subject and object we have generally used our noun. Like that friends, India is democratic country. Here noun is India. And friends, before India we cannot use any these articles friends. There is no articles come before India. So friends, generally there is before proper noun there is we cannot use any article. Dear friends, there is gerund is given here. Gerund means verb plus ing. Gerund friends, it means verb plus ing. Okay dear friends, now there is example of gerund is swimming is the best exercise. Friends, here swimming is gerund. Here infinity, if we use to with any verb then it is called as infinitive. Here to err is human nature. I want to talk you, we have used as here to talk is object in this sentence. So friends, it is also noun. Friends, in this way we have studied that our noun is used in place of subject or object in any sentence. Now friends, we will move to our next topic, which is common noun. Friends, common noun means any common noun. સામાન્ય નામ એટલે આપણે common noun કહીએ friends. જેવી રીતે man, man is used for all person, which is it is common gender for man, and woman is also our common noun. Boy, girl, dog, there is various type of dog. Animals, this group of animals. Okay friends, now place, in case of place the village, city, country are also common noun. And friends, in case of things there is watch, pen, fan, this all things without name of company is called as our common noun. Dear friends, here given that let's go for a walk. Friends, this is the special case when we use article before our verb. Friends, when verb comes in the role of noun, then we use article before it. For example, let's go for a walk. Walk is verb and it is in the place of our object. So friends, it is become our noun. So we use article before it. Plus after a use. Friends, use is verb. It is in place of our noun. So friends, we use plus after a use. So we use article before it. Now my dear friends, our third one is collective noun. Friends, what is collective noun? Common noun no group. Friends, this is all our common noun, and friends, the group of common noun is called as collective noun. For example, an army of soldier. Friends, there is soldier which is common noun, but friends, the group of common noun is our army. Army is used for group of soldiers. So an army of soldier is our collective noun. In case of army, we also use regiment of soldier, and friends, we use singular before. After this army, we use is or was. Friends, a cattle of cows or animals. Friends, ગાય અને એનિમલના ધણને શું કહેવાય friends? We use cattle before the name of our group of cows and animals. A flock of bird. Friends, પક્ષીઓના ગ્રુપને શું કહેવાય? A flock of birds. A flight of moving birds. જ્યારે પક્ષીઓ ઉડતા હોય ત્યારે આપણે યુઝ કરીએ a flight of moving birds. સીડી માટે પર આપણે યુઝ કરી શકીએ a flight of moving steps or stairs. Friends, a fleet of ships. જ્યારે સમુદ્રમાં આપણે વહાણો ઊભા હોય એના માટે આપણે શું યુઝ કરીએ a fleet of ships. And we also use fleet of motor cars. જ્યારે મોટર કાર્સ પાર્કિંગમાં હોય એના માટે આપણે યુઝ કરી શકીએ a fleet of motor cars. A bunch or banquet or garland of flowers. Friends, ફૂલોના જ્યારે સમૂહ બનેલા હોય જેવી રીતે એનું ગ્રુપ હોય friends, flower banquet or garland of flower. We use bunch, banquet or garland for group of flowers. And friends, a jury of judge. We all familiar with a jury of judges. Okay friends? Friends, there are more common example for this our common noun. It is we have reached to a jury of judges. Then a galaxy of stars. Friends, group of stars is called galaxy, or we also use cluster. There is cluster of stars. A choir of singers group singing song on stage. Then we called it choir of singers. The team is the best. Friends, after our collective noun we use is or was. Friends, we treat it as singular. So friends, is it used here in this example? Friends, ઘણા બધા એવા કેસ છે જ્યારે આપણે આર અને વેર યુઝ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ. જેવી રીતે the jury are or were divided for issue of Kashmir. Friends, divided, here we are separating them. So friends, we are making their groups. So we are using here are or were. Friends, we are taking it as plural. So because we are dividing it. Same way friends, the parliament is or was united for its salary. Friends, there is united, then we treat it single. And friends, when we are dividing these groups, then we are used as plural. Okay friends? Now friends, there is one also example. The team are trying their new uniforms. Friends, we are using here are because whole team, the person of teams using their own uniforms. The uniforms are dividing between these teams. So friends, we are taking the team as plural. Okay friends? Audience takes their tea. Friends, here audience are also taking their particular tea, so we are used as it plural. Okay friends? Friends, the fourth one is material noun. Friends, material noun ને આપણે કેવી રીતે સમજી શકીએ? જેમાંથી વસ્તુઓનો સર્જન થતું હોય એ બધી વસ્તુઓ મટીરિયલ નાઉનની અંદર આવે. Or friends, for example, ingredients. We are using ingredients in recipe. That all ingredients are our material noun. તે રીતે friends, gold, silver, water, oil, air, flour, cement, plastic, cotton. Friends, these all are material noun. And friends, light, speech, જેનો flow થતો હોય. Light is flow of electron which is flowing through the wire. Speech is the flow of the words. જેમાં flow થતો હોય એ પણ material noun ની અંદર આવે. Okay friends. Now friends, our last one is abstract noun. What is abstract noun friends? જેને માપી નથી શકાતું અથવા લખી નથી શકાતું અથવા ગણી નથી શકાતું, જે દેખાતા નથી, જેને આપણે ખાલી ફીલ કરી શકીએ છીએ, એ બધા નાઉન એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ નાઉનમાં યુઝ થાય છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. Our feelings are abstract noun. I gave an order of 1 plate fish. Friends, 1 plate fish. Fish here is not a common noun. It is material noun friends. Keep in your mind that friends, this example is very important. Here exceptionals are always asked in our English grammar, in our Gujarat board exams. So friends, you must have to focus on exceptional questions. Okay friends. So fish here used in case of material noun, not as common noun. I gave an order of 1 plate fish. Okay friends. Now the friends, here adjective and noun is given. Joy is our noun. Love is also our noun. Friends, we are just confused between these words. It is adjective or noun. So friends, I have written these all words. Happy is not noun friends. Happiness is noun. Sadness is noun friends. Difficult is not noun. Difficulty is noun friends. Our innocent is not noun. Innocence is noun. Emotional is not noun. Emotion is noun friends. Honest, there is no noun. Honesty is noun. Bravery is noun. Proud is not noun friends. Pride is noun. Angry is not noun friends. Anger is noun. Friends, kept in mind, we were confusing these words. Friends, before our abstract noun, we cannot use our article friends. So honesty is the policy friends. We have not used here article. Friends, if we use of, it belongs to any person, then we use article. The honesty of Ramlal is rewarded. Here of is come, so we are used the. The water of Narmada is not clean. So friends, we are used the before. If of is used in this, okay, it is specified for special things, then we use our articles. Now friends, અનકાઉન્ટેબલ નું બહુવચન ન થાય. જે અનકાઉન્ટેબલ છે, જેવી રીતે વોટર છે, ગોલ્ડ છે, એ બધાનું બહુવચન ન થાય. ઓકે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, જેવી રીતે વોટર છે તો એનું વોટર્સ થાય. એનું બહુવચન નથી, પણ એનો મતલબ શું થાય વોટર્સનો? જળાશયો, સમુદ્રો. ગુડ છે તો એનું બહુવચન ગુડ્સ ન થાય. ઓકે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ગુડ્સનો મીન માલ સામાન થાય. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, જેવી રીતે રિટર્ન છે તો એને આપણે રિટર્ન્સ પર લખીએ છીએ, પણ રિટર્ન્સનો મતલબ શું થાય? વળતર. ઓકે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આ રિટર્નનો બહુવચન નથી. કસ્ટમ છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આપણે એને લખીએ કસ્ટમ્સ. કસ્ટમ્સનો મતલબ શું થાય? ઇમ્પોર્ટ એક્સપોર્ટ કરતી હોય એવી જાહેર સંસ્થા ઓર વ્યવસ્થા. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, વુડ છે એનો બહુવચન વુડ્સ ન થાય ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. વુડ્સનો મતલબ થાય જંગલો. સો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આ આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યો અહીંયા આપણો ટોપિક નાઉન. આઈ હોપ દેટ તમને વિડીયો ગમશે. અને ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ઇફ યુ ફાઇન્ડ ધીસ વિડીયો ઇઝ હેલ્પફુલ ફોર યોર સ્ટડી, then like the channel. Friends, like this video and subscribe and share it as maximum possible.